Morning, you're here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here in Goderich, Ontario, October morning. We're here doing a roof. It's a business and a residence on the side, so it's a multi-unit building. We have a U Brew on one side and we have the family residence on the other. We're going to do a 2-ply modified system, about 10 squares, that's 1,000 square feet. And we're going to go on top of the existing roof so we don't tear off the existing roof and also tear off plywood and stuff at the same time. Great system to do in a residential like this. No hot asphalt, no torching, so this will be a good day. I'll take you guys upstairs. I wanted to start down here, show you what the residence looks like from the ground. So it's a two-tier roof system, and we have some vinyl siding detail on one side and a metal flashing detail on the other. Okay. Hope you guys learned something. It's going to be a great day. I'll show you stage per stage and we'll go from there. Thanks. So here is the residence. It is a U Brew here in Goderich, Ontario. And the flat roof section, so that's a high roof you're looking at there. The flat roof section is around the side. That's flat roof. We're doing the low section today. And maybe next season we will do the high section. So there we go. And that is the high section. Okay, I'll bring you back later. We'll start setup, we'll start putting down the soper board, and I'll bring you back step by step. We'll take it from there. Thanks, guys. Okay, welcome back. So we started the process here. We have the, basically we took the flashing off and the siding and the vinyl off. So I'll show you what. So we had to remove the siding so we can bring our base and cap sheet up and underneath. So there we go. You see the roof, see our material up, and you see what we're going to be working with the rest of the day here. There you go. Just want to show you how we remove the siding. So basically to show you, we remove the siding so we make sure when we do bring our base and cap, it's underneath that. And the vinyl siding is basically just another layer of protection on the outside. Just basically a facade. We're not going to use it as a waterproofing. So you can see the old brick behind me. And there we go. We'll show you basically when we have our base in and what it looks like. Okay, welcome back. So we're almost finished putting down the soper board. We finished cutting out the siding you see behind me. And basically we've already made a drastic improvement to the roof. I think it's looking great so far. So I'll show you what it looks like. I'll explain to you the steps we've taken and basically where we got to go from there. Okay, so you remember the vinyl siding. That's all been removed. So we're going to bring our new roof up and underneath that. So we did the whole detail there. We want to make sure this whole detail is 100% waterproof when we leave. The old roof used to come up and there wasn't any base sheet there, so we're going to fix that issue. You also remember the condition of the old roof, and so what you see with all the fasteners there, you see screws everywhere. Those are fasteners on the soper board that we've installed. You see all the material. So we've taken off the existing flashing to bring our roofing up and over. So that's where we are at this point. I think we made a definite improvement just so far in the first 4 hours. So there we go. So we're going to start putting on the base. We're going to start priming the primer to the soper board. Without that, the base doesn't stick. So you have to apply primer to the soper board. Basically touch up the details. I'll basically just take you for a ride on the job. I hope you like it. I hope you're learning something. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. Okay, so we're back. We're nearly more than halfway done the roof. We finished putting on the soper board, fastened it down, primed it. We put on the base sheet. Again, we've brought our base sheet up and underneath the vinyl siding to make sure we create a watertight detail. We brought it over the existing cant along the parapet wall of the roof. And we have flashed in our drip edge detail that sits into our eaves trough. So I'll show you what it looks like now. What you're looking at there, that is our base layer. That's what makes it basically 99% watertight. We still have a cap sheet to go on top of that. We have brought our base sheet up and over the existing cant detail. We're going to put in more metal flashing in there. So now we're priming again the base sheet to make sure we have a good adhesion between the base sheet and the cap sheet detail. Over here we installed our stack This was a bit of a different stack. This is nearly a 6-inch stack detail. So what we've done, we basically got a universal stack jack. We've cut it in place, and that way the size can be measured on site. You don't have to pre-order certain details. So we put a target patch on top to give it another, basically a second layer of protection and strength, rigidity. You can see the target patch running along there. We have installed a new drip edge detail along here. This is all new metal flashing along here, and primed it and put a base sheet flashing on. So we are, like I said, nearly 90% watertight. The cap sheet basically is to make sure, just over time, to give the strength over time, the weather and stuff. So there you go. We have some more detail work to go. Complete the vining siding detail and start priming, which you've seen we're already doing, and put it on cap sheet. So hope you guys like it. It's a great job. We got excellent weather. We got it's working out well. So okay, we'll bring you back on when we start installing cap sheet, show you how to heat weld the seams, and go from there. Okay, welcome back. Day's pretty much wrapped up for the day. We have some detail work on the side behind me. The guy who's going to install the metal or the vinyl siding is going to come back and put a counter flashing down and onto the roof. But besides that, the job is done. We have a new roof installed. We got the existing metal flashing back on, the drip flash on, detailed around the cone, and basically that's about it. So I'll show you the roof and go from there. And that is it. So there we go. We got the new roof on. Looks a lot better than how it used to look. Metal flashing on. Again, I just actually decided to put a counter flashing here and down here. So that's going to wait. Then we're going to put on the existing vinyl siding back on. So just a protection for this detail here. Legacy flat roofing and sheet metal. Another project done. We're in the Goderich area today. So if you're in the area, give us a call. info@legacyroofs.com. You can email us, or legacyroofs.com. You can check out the website and let us know if there's anything we can do for you. Any roofing work you want us to come check out, let us know, okay? Thank you very much. Have a great day.